Hi, do you experience that during your interview, you have a lot of things to say in your mind, but your mouth didn't utter any words, and you didn't answer the question properly? So, hi, this is my 22nd day of improving and practicing my English. I'm Yong, and I'm making videos regarding on my journey of learning English. So, story time, guys. Last March, just this year, so we attended our assessment in Malate in caregiving NC2. So luckily we passed and I am now a certified caregiver. And then after that assessment, we decided to stay in Manila to look and find any related jobs and also to look for any jobs that is not related in caregiving. So first week we applied for different home care facilities in Manila, and then unfortunately we didn't receive any replies or call from that facilities that we applied. And then after a week, we decided to apply in different BPO companies. So luckily, we received a call and replies from different companies in BPO. So me, there was one company that called me, and then I undergone what do you call that one, interview. So it's just a phone interview, and then that one question was very simple. So the HR asked me, "What is your hobby?" and tell me about it. So that very simple question made me fail to that interview. So I have a lot of things to say in my mind. I know my hobby is, and I know I have answers to, to say to the interviewer, and yet I didn't answer that one. My mouth got stuck, and my head, I think my head got freeze during that time. And then after that interview, I after that interview, the HR said to me that, "Oh no, unfortunately, you didn't pass the application and try again for next time." So after that, I was so disappointed with myself, and I always blame myself that I didn't answer that very simple question. So that was one of the reasons why I'm eager to learn English. I want to improve my vocabulary. For